x square minus 2 whole square equals to x plus 2. We have to find the solution for x. So this is in the form of a minus b whole square. And this is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can write it as x square whole square minus 2 times x square times 2 plus 2 square equals to x plus 2, or it is x to the power 4 minus 4x square plus 4. Send x plus 2 to the left hand side, then it is minus x minus 2 equals to 0, or x to the power 4 minus 4x square. 4 minus 2 is 2, so minus x plus 2 equals to 0. Or here we can take x square common and write x square parenthesis x square minus 4, and here take minus 1 common and write x minus 2 equals to 0, or x square parenthesis x square minus 4 we can write it as 2 square, then minus 1 times x minus 2 equals to 0. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square, differences of square equals to a plus b times a minus b. So this we can write x square then times x plus 2 times x minus 2, then minus 1, then times x minus 2 equals to 0. Now x minus 2 is the common factor, so we can write x minus 2 common, and then remaining factors are x square times x plus 2 minus 1 equals to 0, or x minus 2 multiply x square times x is x cube, x square times 2 is 2x square minus 1 equals to 0. Now when a times b equals to 0, then either a equals to 0 or b equals to 0. So first solution is when x minus 2 equals to 0. In that case x equals to 2. So this is first solution for x. When x cube plus 2x square minus 1 equals to 0. We can factorize it. X cube plus 2x square we can write it as x square plus x square minus 1 equals to 0. X cube, here we can take x square common and write x plus 1, then plus we can take 1 common and write x square minus 1 equals to 0, or x square times x plus 1 then plus 1, and this is in the form of differences of square. We can write x plus 1 times x minus 1. Now x plus 1 is the common factor, so we can write x plus 1, then times remaining factors are x square plus 1 times x minus 1, so x square plus 1 times x minus 1, or simply we can write it as x square plus x minus 1 equals to 0. Again two solutions. When x plus 1 equals to 0, then x equals to minus 1. Second solution for x. When x square plus x minus 1 equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. We can find the solution for x by using the discriminant formula, where x equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac under square root upon 2a, where a is the coefficient of x square, here it is 1, b is the coefficient of x, again 1, and c here is minus 1. So x equals to minus 1 plus minus 1 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is minus 1 upon 2 times 1. Therefore x equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of 5 upon 2. So third value for x will be minus 1 plus square root of 5 upon 2, and fourth value for x will be minus 1 minus square root of 5 upon 2. So 4 values for x are x equals to 2 minus 1 plus square root of 5 upon 2, or minus 1 minus square root of 5 upon 2. We can verify these solutions when x equals to 2. In that case, 2 square minus 2 whole square, it should be equal to 2 plus 2. 2 square is 4, 4 minus 2 whole square. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 square, 4 equals 4. So this value satisfied. Now let's check when x equals to minus 1. So minus 1 square minus 2 whole square equals to minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 square will be positive 1 minus 2. It will be minus 1 square. Again minus 1 plus 2 will be 1. Minus 1 square, minus is inside the bracket, so it will be positive 1. 1 equals 1. So this is also correct. When x is minus 1 plus square root of 5 upon 2. This we can also write it as square root of 5 minus 1 upon 2. Now let's first solve the LHS part and check whether LHS equals to RHS. So x square minus 2 whole square. Let's first find the value. So it will be square root of 5 minus 1 upon 2 whole square minus 2 whole square, or this we can also write it as square root of 5 minus 1 whole square upon 2 square, because a upon b whole square, this also means a square upon b square. Then minus 2 whole square, or we can solve it as square root of 5 square minus 2 times square root of 5 times 1 plus 1 square upon 4 minus 2 whole square, or this is equal to 5 plus 1 minus 2 times square root of 5 upon 4 minus 2 whole square, or this is equal to 6 minus 2 times square root of 5 upon 4 minus 2 whole square, or now we take common denominator 4. So 6 minus 2 times square root of 5. 4 times 2 is 8. Then whole square. 6 minus 8 is minus 2. Minus 2 times square root of 5 upon 4 whole square. Now again let's take minus 2 common here. Then it is 1 plus square root of 5 upon 4 whole square, or we take minus 2 here. Minus 2 times minus 2 is 4. So we have 1 plus square root of 5 whole square upon minus 2 whole square. Again this is 1 square plus square root of 5 square plus 2 times square root of 5 upon minus 2 square is 4. 1 plus 5, we remove the square root with this square, so 6 plus 2 times square root of 5 upon 4. Take 2 common, so 3 plus square root of 5 upon 4. 2 times 2 is 4. So LHS, left hand side we have 3 plus square root of 5 upon 2. This should be equal to RHS. Now let's see what is the value of RHS. RHS is x plus 2. So RHS is x plus 2. X here is minus 1 plus square root of 5 upon 2 plus 2. Again this is minus 1 plus square root of 5. Common denominator is 2. So this is 2 times 2 is 4. Minus 1 plus 4 is 3 plus square root of 5 upon 2. So you see LHS equals to RHS. In this way this value is also verified. Same manner we can verify this value also. How did you solve the question? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.